My name is Xavier.
And I'm Greg, and we are.
Who's the Kid? Season 2, Episode 3. Hope you guys like the new marquee. It's gotta be here for all of Season 2. Literally. I'm not kidding.
All right, so welcome to back to Who's the Kid. So today we're going to be doing a review of.
Exploding Kittens. But first off, it's not a numbered episode, so you know what that means.
And I don't think those are Tic Tacs. So we will be reviewing the game
Exploding Kittens
in a couple minutes. Or maybe less. What's this going to be? This is the Bean Boozles. I do not like these.
Okay, we got a flavor. Okay. They can either be Tutti Frutti or Stinky Socks. We'll get one.
What do you got?
Ah! Stinky Socks. What'd you get?
Bland. I'm not sure what it is. It's not good. No, it's like oh that was rotten too.
Right.
Oh.
No more.
What the heck?
No more.
Oh.
Please.
Ugh.
Why did we do that?
That was awful.
Yeah.
It's still there. It just
Luckily
lingers.
we won't be doing that for any more episodes.
I don't know what the heck that was. It's just gross.
Yeah.
So, so the game we're going to review today is a card game called Exploding Kittens.
Oh, it's still on my tongue.
Ages 7 and up. Rated for 2 to 5 players. And 2 minutes to learn, 15 minutes to play. That's about right. We just ran through a game beforehand. There is a nice, easy set of rules that go along with it.
Wait, don't read the rules.
That's what it says.
You gotta watch the video. Hey, don't read these rules.
So they have a video as well you can go to that gives you the basics of it. It shows you what the cards look like. The card play is very easy. They are a variety of different types of cards. That is the Exploding Kitten. Can you bring that in a little bit closer, Xavier, so they can let it get into focus?
There we go.
There's the nope, you can't do that to me cards.
Diffuse.
Which stops the kittens from exploding. How to attack card to attack other players.
See the future, see the top 3 cards.
Great variety of cards that are just simple with goofy pictures. The Catamelon and the Harry Potato Cat.
The Beard Cat is a Taco Cat.
And of course the Rainbow Ralphing Cat.
Skip card, skip your turn.
Shuffle.
Did we do attack already?
We did. We got see the future, which is able to look at ahead in the deck.
Favor one of the. A player must give you a card of their choice.
Did you do a Taco Cat yet?
No, we haven't done a Taco Cat.
And of course, Taco Cat, which is a palindrome.
And another one.
So.
And shuffle. Did we do shuffle?
Yes.
Shuffle, you shuffle.
Yes, we did.
Shuffle deck.
So the
gameplay
very simple.
Is simple.
Yep. Go ahead. You want to tell people what gameplay is?
Gameplay is simple, really cool. It's actually something that's really cool to play. Your goal is trying to avoid the exploding kittens.
That's right. So we definitely want to make sure that we don't get you don't get blown up by the exploding kitten. You can diffuse, but that's really the only thing that can stop the kitten. When you're able to see the future, you can look ahead, and if you see that's coming up and it may be on your turn, you can do things to like shuffle to avoid it. So you can skip it. You can make it so that you can do an attack, which makes your opponent have to pick up, and maybe pick up the ones that you've got as well. So it's a fun game. It's quick. It's kind of goofy, and it's a great game to play. It's an easy thing to. The box itself is small, but overall, really, it's just basically like a deck of cards that can be placed in a pocket or a purse and easily brought along with you if you're going traveling, or if you just want something quick to do in a restaurant or at home or bring to a friend's. So Exploding Kittens, a fun little game, easy to play, quick to learn, and recommended by Who's the Kid. So Exploding Kittens, ages 7 and up. You could probably go younger with that as well. It's goofy, but this is appropriate. There is another version where the box is black. That is
the not suitable for work version and the inappropriate version.
Yes, and that
not kid friendly.
Not kid friendly, exactly. And so that's something to note, that if you are in the store looking at them like that, you don't just, if you're looking at one for the whole family to play, don't grab the black box. Go for the kind of brownish reddish colored box of Exploding Kittens. And so I'm Greg.
I'm Xavier.
And we are
Who's the Kid?
Who's the Kid? Have a great
in episode 4, where we actually play around one round of the game.